Hey guys, it is now a few weeks into school, and I'm sure that some of you have some students that have the dreaded missing assignments, and you're probably hearing, I don't know where to find it. I don't know what to do. I don't remember anything about that. Um, Seems to be a consistent problem with some students year after year. So I wanted to share with you a couple of ways that you might could help them find their assignments to make it a little bit easier on you as far as going back and finding the assignments as well as on them. So first I wanted to share an idea that a solution a teacher has already came up with. And Miss Sweeney was kind enough to share with me after it was acknowledged to me by one of our special programs persons that she was doing a great job of that, communicating with her students. Because no matter how much we simplify our Google Classroom after several weeks, there's still going to be, a long thing here. So what Miss Sweeney has done in her additional resources is she's added the Q1 missing work and graded assignments, and she has listed the assignments here. So what they have missing that's graded, where they can find it, as well as with a video over an explanation and getting it turned in. So that's one way that you could be sure that you've recorded, help the students understand what it is that they're missing if they're your frequent flyer missing assignment people. Another way that I had considered was, let me go to one of my classrooms here, creating a topic just for missing work. Therefore, only the students who had the missing work would see it. So in order to do that, so let's say, and we could reuse assignments that way. So if I reuse a post, from our secondary Google Classroom, one that I've already assigned, and let's say I have some students that are missing Q1, week 1 Wednesday, and that was a graded assignment. So I can reuse it here. But I am going to change the topic to create a topic. Sorry. Missing work. And I am only going to assign it to the students who are missing that assignment. So the students that don't have this assignment, we're going to pick on Miss Ainsworth. She hadn't turned in her work yet, and neither has Miss Biggie, and I know they really have, but and Mr. Brown and Mr. Bunker. So those are my students that are missing this assignment. And I didn't find that by going and looking in the Google Classroom. I'm looking at my grade book and I'm seeing who doesn't have a grade for this assignment. And then I can have it make a copy or whatever I need it to do and assign it to just those students. I will delete this for you guys who really aren't missing your work. Now, obviously, this is taking longer because I'm streaming. Now, here's one thing about doing it this way is only the people who have a missing assignment will actually see this. They're the only ones that will actually see the assignment. It's the equivalent of making a packet of papers to give to a student. So that's, and then it could be at the top because, again, not everybody is going to see that. It's only needed. Now, I don't want you to be creating a whole bunch of additional resources to add or additional topics. This is just one that I know a lot of people will use and could be beneficial for the students if they know that they can either find their missing work here under additional resources or in its own topic. And again, I would only put those things there that you're taking a grade on, that you really need those students to do. I know it's frustrating, but this is a unique situation for all of us, with the students only being here every other day and having to do everything through the Google Classroom, based on, all kinds of different factors. It's hard for us. It's hard for them. So hopefully we're all extending grace one way or the other. And as you're trying to get those grades together for those students to help them be successful, hopefully you can utilize one of these two ideas to help your students know what they need to be sure and get turned in, to help them do what they need to do for your class. So if you have any questions or any other ideas that are working for you, in managing the hybrid teaching situation, I would love to hear from you. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.